Let's talk about the recently launched Vivo smartphone Y16, with trendy design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.51-inch HD plus full view display, with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 82.5% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 270 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 13-megapixel main camera, along with 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 5-megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 12 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 12 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.95 by 75.55 by 8.19 mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. And the color options: stellar black, drizzling gold, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y16 has been priced in Pakistan for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y16 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.